Imagine shaving off extra weight from your bike while making it look incredibly stylish. That's exactly what I set out to do in this video, thanks to a generous discount from Betterbolts. I'll be swapping out the stock bolts on my Intense Sniper Trail for titanium ones to see how much weight can we save and to discuss the other benefits of using titanium bolts. Now let's dive into the world of titanium bolts and see how they can make your bike lighter, stronger, and more stylish. So why titanium bolts? Well, there's a few good reasons. Number one, corrosion resistance. Titanium bolts are highly resistant to corrosion, even in harsh environments such as saltwater or acidic conditions. This makes them ideal for those who ride in all sorts of weather or near the ocean. Number two, strength to weight ratio. Titanium has a lighter strength to weight ratio than aluminum, so these bolts are stronger and more durable while still being lightweight. They're as strong as steel, but considerably lighter. Number three, aesthetic appeal. Betterbolts offer titanium bolts in various colors, including oil slick, bronze, gold, black, silver, and copper. So you can customize your bike's appearance and make it stand out from the crowd. Number four, ease of use. Betterbolts makes it super easy to find the correct bolts for your specific bike, ensuring a seamless swap. Well, there you have it, folks. We've successfully swapped out all 25 bolts on our bike. Now for the moment we've all waited for. How much weight did we save? Drum roll, please. All right, so we managed to save an impressive 50 grams. The original bolts weighed in at 115 grams, while our new oil slick titanium bolts came in at just 65 grams. Now, it may not sound like a ton of weight, but realistically, it's not. It's a little more than 1/10 of a pound, but honestly, I didn't do this just for the weight savings. I also did it for the bling factor. Check out how amazing the bike looks with these oil slick titanium bolts. So there you have it, folks. Switching to titanium bolts is a fantastic way to save weight on your bike while also giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. If you're looking to make your bike lighter and more stylish, titanium bolts might be the perfect upgrade. A huge thank you to Betterbolts for the discount that they provided, which allowed me to make this video. If you're interested in upgrading your bolts, make sure you check them out down in the link below. That's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome bike content. And while you're at it, you really should check out this video right here.